Hello! Today's video will demonstrate how to assemble and use the Broad Airprp Mask. There are just a few easy steps. First, make sure the plastic seal around the package is intact. Then, open your box and take out the contents. You should have 2 hole punch masks, an air tube, a mask joint, the filtration system with a HEPA filter, a lanyard, and a USB cable. It is recommended that you use soapy warm water to rinse the air tube and the mask joint before connecting and let fully air dry. Next, you want to take the mask joint and insert it in the mask. You want to make sure not to put the air tube first through the mask because your connection will be loose. Take one end of the air tube and connect it to the mask joint. Next, take the other end of the air tube and connect it to the filtration unit. Next, connect your lanyard to the lanyard ring on the top of the unit, just like this. Next, you want to take your USB cable and connect it to a power source. You can use the adapter on your cell phone, or you can just use the USB port on a computer. Once you do that, take the other end of the USB and connect it to the portal on the side of the unit. You will see the blue indicator lights at the top of the unit. You want to make sure to charge the unit for 2 to 3 hours. However, the filtration unit does come about 75% charged. Once the AirPro is fully charged, let it run for 2 hours before wearing to prime the filter. To turn the unit on, hold the power button right here on the side for 2 seconds. Press it again to increase the fan speed to the 2nd level. Press it again and increase the fan speed to the 3rd level. Press it once more and it turns the unit off. The mask is replaceable, and the HEPA filter, which is inside the casing, is replaced every 500 hours, or about 3 months if you're using it for an 8-hour shift 5 days a week. If you use it less frequently, you can use it for a longer period of time. Replacement filters can be purchased through Broad.